Okay, list all of the rational numbers in set A, the irrational, and integers for part 4. So rational numbers, irrational, and integers. Let's see. Well, integer would be 6. Rational numbers, where would you want to start? Let's go bottom up. Irrational, I've got the square root of 10. So we've got that one. We've got 6. I think that's really it. Yeah. A rational number, 1.3. So that one's used. A negative 0.7 repeating. So that one's used. So then an integer is 0 and negative 10. Perfection. So, and then if you want to get really technical, rational numbers, these C are also rational numbers because 6 is also 6 over 1, right? 0 is 0 over 1. Negative 10 is negative 10 over 1. So yes, it could be written as a fraction as well. So C can also fit into A as a rational. Basically, for irrational, you just want to watch out for any of these square roots, pi, or e. Now moving on to inequalities. Make sure I'm on the screen. I need to change my chair. Can y'all hear it like squeal whenever I get up and down? No, maybe? Okay. I hope not, because it's annoying me. Hope it doesn't annoy you. Anywho, inequalities. The relative size of two real numbers can be compared using the real number line. So inequalities are used to compare numbers. Ooh, much prettier. Sorry, forgot my little flashlight on my phone. So let A and B be two real numbers. All right, so their numbers were cool. A is less than B is denoted with A less than B. If A lies to the left of B on the number line. My brain confused that with both. Hello. So, this is an example using less than. So on the flip side, get it? Flip side. A is greater than B, denoted with A greater than B, if A lies to the right of B. So here, this is greater than. Whoops. So we've got A greater than B and A less than B is what I mean by these symbols here. Another thing kind of way back when I was in school, oh gosh, probably elementary school. When do you, I don't know. No, I don't know. A long time ago. Remember, have you ever learned the little alligator technique? The alligator, like that's the alligator's mouth. The alligator is hungry, so it wants to eat the bigger number because it's hungry. So whatever way the alligator's mouth is facing, that's the larger number. Okay, so you could also say that B is greater than A, or here B is less than A. But you'd again have to just kind of rewrite it, but A is less than B, A is greater than B. Remember, your alligator wants to eat the bigger number because it's hungry alligator. So here's a little table that has all the different iterations. Oh, let me make that better. How's that, party peeps? Is that better? Hopefully. All right. So we've got A is less than B, greater than, but now we tack on the or equal to, right? So you have now with the line underneath it, that means or equal to, of course, equals, not equals, or approximately equals. All right, so close to equaling. So you can take a look at that there, but these are the different visual symbol representations. So again, these are all inequality signs. Here are all the versions of the expressions. Hopefully this is kind of recap old news. If not, please come see me in office hours, or we can chat in class if you have like general questions. So 5, if we are comparing the tides, yeah. So the ocean tide at 2:05 a.m. compared to the ocean tide at 2:24. So here's 2:05 and here's 2:04. So I'll say ocean tide at 2:05, negative 0.4 feet. Is that less than or greater than negative 0.12? Yeah, that is technically greater than, right? Because if you draw it on a number line, like here's 0, you'd have -1, -2. So negative 0.04 is closer to 0 than negative 0.12 is closer to 0. So here, this is greater than negative 0.12. I cannot talk. Hello. So now how about 813, so 2.37 compared to 836, which is 2.49. So which is, well, what is 2.49 compared to 2.37? So 2.37 is blank 2.49. What do you got? It is less than. So how about 813? So 2.37 is blank compared to negative 0.12. It is greater than.